Welcome to Pruvi. I'm going to walk you through the process and how to book demos for Lucky's Market with the Pruvi scheduling tool. Once logged in, you're going to begin by going to your account settings page. Here you will select the regions and brands that you wish to add to your account. Click on the drop-down menu and choose any region that you wish to add. You can add between one and all regions that are available. You will then scroll down and select the brands you wish to add. Once you have successfully added the brands you need to your account, you will then navigate over to the Book a Demo page. Now you can begin to add stores to your list. All the stores within the regions you selected will now be available to you in the drop-down menu. You can either scroll through the drop-down menu or begin typing the store city name or address. Now that I have added a few stores to my page here, I can choose the option of saving them to the page so they will always appear when I log back in. If I wish to save my selection of stores here, you simply want to click the star next to each store name. And once you click each star, you'll see that it brightens. This saves your selection to where each store is now going to be visible every time you log back in. To begin booking, you will simply select the date and time slot of the demos you wish to perform. You can select multiples if needed. If you need to select a week or two out or more, you simply click the right arrow here and you can advance your calendar. Note that you can book anywhere between 7 and 60 days in advance. Once you have your selections, which you will see on the right-hand side, you will click the black Next button on the top right. On this page, you will add the products, choose your demo rep if you have multiple people under your account, and select whether you need power or a table provided. You'll click the plus sign to begin adding your products. Here you will be able to add the products for the brands you have added under your account settings page. Once you click the plus sign, you will be able to see all of the items under the brands as you scroll down. Note that it will only display products that are available at that particular store. So even though I have 4 brands added to my account currently, only 2 of them are currently available in Ann Arbor. You can also search and filter. This will allow you to filter out brands if there's a brand added to your account with a large database of products. You can select anywhere between 1 and 4 products. Once you have selected your 4 products, you can choose Show Selected, and that will show you only the products that you have chosen. Once products are selected, click on Done. If your company has many people underneath it, or at least 2 people, you can choose who is the rep who will be performing the demo. In this case, I will leave it under my name. You can select if you need power and if you need a table provided. If you do not need either, you can simply leave these unchecked. Now, if you wish to have these same selections of products and power and table options for each demo that you've selected, you can click the double arrow on the right-hand side, and it will copy these selections to all bookings. If you mistakenly chose a date that you didn't intend on, simply click the X on the right of the demo to cancel that booking. Once you have selected all your options, click on the Finish button on the right-hand side to finish booking your demo. And this will give you a confirmation page. You will also be given an email confirmation that these demos have successfully been booked. If you do not see them in your inbox, check your spam folder or do a search for Pruvi. To see your schedule of booked demos, you can navigate to the Schedule page on the left-hand side, and you will see all of the demos booked underneath your company. If you need to filter the rows to see only your demos or only specific stores, click on Filter Rows, and search where you need to filter. Here are all the demos underneath the user Michael. If you need to cancel a demo, you will also navigate to this schedule page. You can cancel any demo that is at least 7 or more days away. To do so, you want to click on the X. You will be prompted to make sure you want to cancel the appointment. If you want to, click on yes. If you do not, press no. To confirm, click yes, and the booking will no longer be on your schedule. You can also edit the product information and electrical and table needs for any demo that is 7 or more days out by clicking on the pencil icon. From here, you can change the demo rep, electrical, and table needs as needed. Remember to click Show All to see all available products. To save these changes, click on Save. To cancel, press the Cancel button. We're going to go ahead and save. And you can also download a file to sync to your Google Calendar or Outlook if you need to as well. Simply click on the calendar icon, and it will give you the different format options you can download if needed. You can also download to CSV to open in Excel, or choose a calendar feed. Here we give you instructions on how to do this. You can also switch to calendar view and view the team's schedule on a calendar setting. Week, month, or day. You can also change the date range by simply clicking on the date and adjusting as needed. To navigate back to book a new demo, simply click back on Book a Demo, and you can begin the process again. A few other things to note under your account settings: you can also edit your name, your email address, your regions and brands, and if you are listed as an admin, you will also have the ability to invite a new user. You will put in that user's name, and click Send Invitation after you put in their name and their email. And they will get an email notification that they will click a link to create their Pruvi account, and they will be connected to your company. That means you will be able to see their demos as well as book demos and assign them to that user. If you have any additional questions, you can always reach us via our live support channel, which is available here. Thanks and happy demoing.